Nove is a debt-free lifestyle enhancement company based out of Georgia that consists of thousands of people just like you who receive exclusive VIP benefits from brands and companies most relevant to enhancing your lifestyle in 4 key areas: financially, socially, mentally, and physically. Financially, we help people to save, manage, and protect their money. Socially, we help our members enhance their life experiences. Mentally, we help people improve their mindset. And physically, we help individuals gain and maintain great health. So let's talk about how we help people save financially. First, we have Nove Perks, a huge savings center that allows you to shop, save, and get rewards. You can find discounts and deals on everyday products ranging from clothing and apparel to popular electronics, movie tickets, automobiles and insurance, and more. You earn points for every single dollar you spend, points you can accumulate and use towards savings on future purchases. How do we help people manage and protect their money? With Nove Money. Nove Money gives our members access to tools that help them manage and control their money better with our budgeting tool, help them to get out of debt faster with our sophisticated debt elimination software, and improve their credit score with our complimentary credit education program that includes analysis, correction, and education. We also help our members maximize their tax deductions and minimize their tax liability with the popular IRS-approved app called TaxBot. You're able to enter your business expenses, take pictures of your receipts, and the app stores them in 2 clouds to ensure you don't lose them. Not only are we going to help you to save and manage your money, we're also going to help you protect your money, your identity, and yourself. Nove Identity Theft Protection will not only protect your identity, but it will also provide you with $25,000 in insurance in the event your identity is stolen. One of our newest services that's gaining popularity fast is Nove Personal Security. Have you ever been somewhere and you just didn't feel safe? Maybe walking down the street late at night, walking in a dark parking garage late at night. No longer will you feel alone in dangerous situations. In the event of an uneasy feeling of security, you can simply open the app, push a button, and you will be connected to a live operator that will listen in on the other end so that if a situation does occur, they can GPS track your location and get the authorities to you in a timely fashion. The next way we help people to enhance their life is socially with Nove Travel and Nove Language. Our members are able to save up to 60% off of standard travel booking and amenities and earn points with every purchase that can be used towards other trips. Saving so much money on travel, you may start thinking about traveling internationally. What better way to travel internationally than to know at least the basics of that country's language? With Nove Language, you can start learning essential words and phrases of foreign languages immediately, develop practical speaking skills, and have access to exercises that will help you retain what you learn. Talk about having new life experiences. To help you mentally, we give you access to Nove Library, a virtual library that's updated monthly with hundreds of 8-page book summaries, short audios, videos, and webinars on personal and professional development, all from the top business, sales, and leadership authorities in their respective industries. You'll also receive discounted admission to our Nove University networking and training events held regularly all across the country that will give you a unique opportunity to network with like-minded individuals and receive training from 6- and 7-figure earners. To help you enhance your lifestyle physically, we give you access to premium products and services that will help you gain and maintain great health, starting with Nove Fitness. Think of Nove Fitness as your very own virtual personal trainer. You'll have access to a virtual platform that consists of physical exercises, nutritional coaching, and social interaction. Customize your workout routine with your virtual calendar and, if you're feeling competitive, challenge your family and friends to help push towards each other's fitness goals. And while you're gaining great health with the Nove Fitness program, you'll be able to maintain your health with our lifestyle accessory, Sprayology. Sprayology was created with you in mind, with remedies to improve energy, health, and well-being with no side effects. There are products for PMS, digestive discomfort, weight loss, restlessness, acne, the list goes on and on. You can just look at the list yourself and think, maybe I have that problem. Oh yeah, I have that problem too. And the best thing about Sprayology is they're convenient, easy to use, and safe for all adults and children ages 2 and up. No swallowing pills, just a couple of sprays and you're done. Feel better naturally. So let's talk about how you become a customer and potentially become a business owner with Nové. We have 4 packages that you can choose from to best suit your personal wants and needs. First, we have our basic pack that's $49.95. The basic pack gives you access to your Nové library, Nové perks, TaxBot, and exclusive discounts on Nové merchandise. Next is the lifestyle pack that's $99.95. The lifestyle pack gives you access to everything in the basic pack, Nové Identity Theft Protection, Nové Fitness, and Nové Money, which includes the budgeting tool, the debt elimination software, and the complimentary credit education services. Our third package is the Lifestyle Plus pack that comes with access to the basic pack services, the lifestyle pack services, Nové Travel, Nové Language, and Nové Personal Security. The Lifestyle Plus package is $249.95 one time and $99.95 per month to be able to have access to everything that's inside of our membership. And then finally, the Lifestyle Premium pack that comes with everything we just talked about, and you'll also receive a 10-pack of the lifestyle accessories. You'll be able to customize your pack to include the 10 accessories that best suits your lifestyle needs or the needs of someone you know. All this for $499.95 one time and then $99.95 per month thereafter. We have great products and services and great membership options to choose from. You just choose which one fits you best as a customer, and if you'd like to be a part of our business opportunity, let me show you how you can use a simple concept of leverage to actually earn a significant part-time or full-time income by simply sharing our lifestyle membership concept with other people. So let's talk about how we help you to earn residual income. When you refer just 3 people to our membership, people like you who want to better their finances, have access to travel discounts, better their health, you'll get yours for free or at a discounted rate depending on which membership package your referrals decide to purchase. And as it grows from there, so does your income. And I'm going to show you exactly how that works. When you go out and refer 3 people to our membership and they each go out and refer at least 2 people each, you are now a Silver Star earning $250 per month in residual income. $250 per month you can use for your gas, groceries, daycare expenses, the works. And guess what? The income doesn't stop there. Your income grows as your business continues to grow month after month. Take a look. Silver Stars earn anywhere from $250 to $1,000 per month. And remember, this isn't bonuses. This is residual income paid out every single month, and it keeps growing as your organization grows. Gold Stars earn $2,000 per month, Platinum Stars $4,000 to $10,000 per month, Diamond Stars $15,000 to $25,000 per month, Ambassadors $30,000 to $50,000 per month, and our last position, the top position in the company, Presidential Star Ambassadors. They make a whopping $110,000 per month in residual income. Now, maybe that $110,000 per month isn't appealing to you. Maybe it's not realistic for you. But listen, let's just say you were able to make an extra $1,000 or $2,000 per month. Wouldn't that be a life-changing experience for you? Making that type of money in addition to the current income you already have. Let's talk about how we help you earn money weekly through our compensation plan. You're able to earn $70 for each customer that you personally refer that purchases the Nové Money package, the Lifestyle Plus pack, or the Lifestyle Premium pack. We pay out up to $125 for the sale of any of these 3 packages down 6 generations. So what does that mean for you? That means as your personal referrals go out and refer people on the 3 packages we just mentioned, you have the opportunity to make anywhere from $20 down to $2 for each and every sale. Remember when we talked about the concept of leverage? Just imagine if you had 50 customers, 100 customers, 500 customers joining your organization on one of these packages in just 1 week. The income potential becomes astronomical, and guess what? That's all coming to you in weekly income. Another way you can earn income is through our Nové Lifestyle Leadership Bonuses. This is for our Gold Stars and above in our company. You're making an extra, again, I'm going to say extra, $250 to $2,500 in bonuses you can use to pay for your car payment, home mortgage or rent, vacations or travel expenses, school tuition or student loans, or even a charity of your choice. And all of this is paid to you on a monthly basis just by simply doing the things that you were probably going to do anyway. Our opportunity is very simple, to the point, and it just makes sense. Over the last year, we've had a tremendous amount of people earn an extra income and enhance their lifestyles using our products and services. We just want to know, will you be next? For more information, get back with the person who referred you to this video, and while you're at it, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube.